Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're doing well. In this video we'll be looking at on how you can download and install Call of Duty Mobile APK plus OBB on your device. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so after you have downloaded the files, you have to open it and extract it on your device. So let's go on the downloaded folder, click on your file manager, and on downloads, and the file is here. The file is a zip, so you have to unzip it. So extract it. So now guys, after we have extracted the files on our device, it's time to open them and install the OBB files on our device. The file is here. We have to open it, copy this OBB file, click on copy, and then you come to the Android folder, OBB, and paste it here. I have already pasted it before. So guys, the second and the last thing that you have to do is to install the APK file on the app on your device. So let's install the app. Click on this APK folder and to install the game on your device. So go to settings. If your installation from unknown sources is blocked, check this box here, say OK, and go to install. So now guys, after we have installed the app on your device, let's open it and see if it's working. So the app has opened. That means the game is working. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Let's meet in the next tutorial.